Hello, good morning, guys. I wish you have a great Kids Day. We love you and we miss you too much. So let's start our speaking activity 2. For this activity, you're going to design a talking robot for the home. Okay, that is just a practice. I want that you answer that question. Question number 1, what's its name? Number 2, what chores does it do? Number 3, what chores won't it do? And you add a picture here. For the next one, you're going to complete question number 4. What else can and can't it do? Number 5, what mental abilities does it have? And number 6, what is its personality like? When you finish, I want that you read the advertisement. Is your robot suitable for this job? Let's check this. Wanted. Robot to help in busy home with 2 working parents and 3 children aged 4, 9, and 16. Must be able to clean and tidy the house, wash and iron clothes, plan minutes, cook and do shopping, work in the garden, babysit and supervise children, help with homework, and play in team games. What did you consider about that robot? Would you buy it? Now, let's practice. Role play interviews. Take turns begin the homeowner and the robot. Okay, let's check the chart. The homeowner is going to ask questions about the robot's ability. It's going to try to find things it cannot do and try to catch it happily. Find out if it's safe to leave your children with it and decide if it gets the job or not. The robot, you need to ask what you will have to do to help. You cannot lie about abilities that you don't have. You try to sound very good at everything you can do. If possible, avoid saying what you can do by changing the subject. Okay? So you're gonna practice with someone, with a parents maybe, or it can be with your any brother or sister if you have, or you practice individual. Okay, don't worry. Okay, for example, you can practice. Hello, what's your name? What housework can you do? And the robot is going to answer.
Hello, my name is Cyberbot. I am especially good at cleaning.
Hello, Cyberboy. Your voice is very nice. But tell me, what else are you good at? And the robot is going to answer.
One of my strengths is my ability to wash white clothes.
Okay, so you wash white clothes. That's perfect for me. Is there anything that you can do? And the robot is going to answer.
No, for me, I can do everything. I know how to paint. I know how to cook. But I also know how to cook delicious, naughty children. Yummy.
Okay, so that was just an example and I was just kidding. So you can edit this presentation and when you finish, please send me your activities. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.